Hey, what's up everybody? So in this video I want to do a quick unboxing on the EDC ticket for Orlando 2019. This one, once again, I'm really disappointed because this is the first time that Orlando makes it 3 days. So it's supposed to be like, they're trying to make it like Las Vegas. So I was expecting to get a big package. When I mean with a big package, I bought a regular ticket for the EDC Las Vegas last year. And I got this. It's pretty much a boot, and you get like accessories. You get like a boot, and you get like what's EDC about and all that stuff. And you actually get like bracelets, and you get a lot of things. You see, you get like a keychain and all these things. But for EDC Orlando, we still only get this, so it's pretty much nothing. I don't understand why. I know it's cheaper, way cheaper than EDC Las Vegas, but they're saying that they're trying to make it like EDC Las Vegas, so one day they'll send us something like this, with something like EDC Las Vegas, so I can feel special about it, because it's a lot of money. So, I guess let's open this up and see what we get here. I'm sure you just only get the ticket, so I'm really disappointed in that. So, like I said, you only get this. You only get the ticket. I only bought the regular one because I feel like it's pointless to buy the other one. And yeah, that's all. You don't get anything else but the ticket. You don't even get that Uber $20 discount price. So I feel like they're getting worse. Anyways, I was hoping to get like at least like a bracelet, like the one they did in Las Vegas. I like that because it says EDC 2018. But once again, really disappointed. Let me know if you're going to EDC Orlando. And I'm really excited because this is, like they say, this is the first time they do 3 days. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm disappointed that I didn't get the chance to buy tickets for the EDC Las Vegas 2020 because it's sold out like in a week. So what the hell? So I hope you like this video and thanks for watching.